If you have found this record, my congratulations. The most likely that you have been accepted to the official expedition organized by Mad Duke. Or maybe the mistake of the archive happened. By the way, it happens much more often. With this text starts our new drawing and playing project. I already told you about it in some of my recent videos. And this project is for everyone, completely everyone, who would like to play games, to explore some drawing features, to overcome the fear of blank page, and to everyone who would like to touch drawing with your own hands. And by the way, you will find even more. You will reveal some mysterious story, and after this show, you will get confidence in your creative personality. In the world of this show, I am Astra Fox, I am the chronicler, and I collect the live legends of Tricksterburg. Rumors, tales, failed prophecies, and creatures which all the city would like to forget. This project created for all beginners, for non-creative people, for toddlers, for very mature and serious adult people, for everyone who somewhere inside their souls still would like to do something creative, to draw, even it will be something very tiny. And on all episodes of this show, Tricksterburg, the Croakodile Street, I would like to reduce your fear of drawing at all and to show you the main idea that everyone can draw. And even better, if your drawings during this project will be ugly, clumsy, odd, imperfect, because our main action will happen in my imaginary city Tricksterburg, and the city is the same: ugly, strange, odd, but legendary. We already met some corners of this imaginary city Tricksterburg in my project Urban Sketching, a big adventure. I will put a link to the playlist somewhere here. And we met not only different objects and streets of the city, but some of its strange inhabitants, like this this dog with wings, or some crazy people. And one of my favorite citizens of Tricksterburg is this glossy frog. And you can find even some more. And some other streets of Tricksterburg, they are still waiting for you when you will come and inhabit its places with your own characters. So I'm more than sure that you already know that streets of Tricksterburg, they are the concrete jungles which reveal their secrets at nights with neon lighting. But even in the daylight, you also can meet a lot of strange creatures and mysterious stories. In this show, we will explore some outskirts of Tricksterburg, next to the river Sleepless Backwater. It is the special place where 5 gorgeous, odd and clumsy crocodiles live. We will find out their story, we will get familiar with them, and we will make their portraits for City Chronicles. And we will even participate in some tiny but very important mission. Actually, in Tricksterburg, no one knows how everything looks like in reality. That's why in the city chronicle we can find a lot of different portraits, illustrations and drawings. And especially you can find a lot of ugly ones. Everyone can take part in a Mad Duke expedition. Really, everyone. Artists, goblins, tired adult people, maybe very serious people who are so busy that you have only 3 minutes for me time. Even toddlers who cannot actually draw, but if you can watch on the list of paper suspiciously, you are in the team. How does the game play? Very easy. The rules of our expedition. In every video we will meet one new crocodile. I will tell a legend about it. I will show you its emotion. I will tell you about his activity or action during our meeting. And the main thing that I will draw a special magical blot. And you, based on all this dossier of the crocodile, will draw a portrait of this crocodile. So you are drawing from your imagination. So your basement for your upcoming sketches are my colored blot, some emotion and some action. For example, happy crocodile is fishing. Or, for example, lazy crocodile is dancing. When the time will come, I will explain you everything in details and show you, so you will understand that it is super easy. Even now, maybe not everything is clear. By the way, if you have any questions to the process, write them in comments. And I will try to explain everything for you, and everything will be very clear. All the audience and participants of this show, they are the members of official Mad Dukes squad. And all of you need to create your own character. I will tell about it in upcoming video, and I will explain you how to do it, but you can start to prepare right now. So imagine a little bit and write in comments what is your character's name, who are you exactly, and why you are the part of this expedition. And a very important thing, that the more odd and strange character you can invent, the better will be the result. So I will give you a couple of examples just to start your imagination. What could it be, your character? Some swamp doctor, or maybe some former witch, or maybe a giant horse, or maybe a talking carp, or maybe a voiceless bard. Don't limit your imagination and invent anything you want. Super absurd, strange and surreal. And write me in comments. Let's start our, adventure right now. In this show, we will have a system of money, let's say. And in Tricksterburg, the main coins are tricks. For every completed task, you will get 10 golden tricks. For example, if you have drawn one portrait of a crocodile, you will get 10 golden tricks. And if you will manage to collect 50 golden tricks, you will get an access to some secret bonus exercise. A couple of words about bonus exercise. If the expedition will complete its mission, we will find out the truth about our gorgeous crocodiles. And there we will have transformed crocodiles, true appearances, some supernatural abilities, and complete chaos. So our expedition is about to begin. Collect your creative materials, pencils, markers, iPad with Procreate, chalks, watercolor, and everything you have to complete our mission. And I would like to warn you not to trust the sleepless river. And if at night you will hear some sounds behind your window, don't answer. Are you ready? The crazy Duke is already waiting for us for a briefing. The next video of this show, Tricksterburg, the Croakodile Street, and the first creative task, I will release on this Thursday, but we will see each other even before that time on this Wednesday, on the show where we are drawing different corners of our favorite cities using Google Map source in the street view mode. And by the way, do you remember my sketch from the first episode of that show? Surprisingly, I found out that on this street someone saw one very sleek and foxy character from Tricksterburg, and no one knows how this character gets there in Bangkok. So I need to return to that place on Wednesday and deal with it and find out the truth. That's it for today. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, that you are interested in creative games and some funny exercises. Prepare your character you will play with whom during all this show, and see you on Thursday on the first task of our mission. Bye bye, see you there.